How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix model mismatch error in the Anycubic slicer next. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your project, and from here navigate through the printer category, and then you want to select your printer. So in my case, I'm going to select this specific printer, and then you want to sync everything by clicking on the sync option right here. You also want to make sure to choose the right bed type, and if you previously made any changes onto your object, you then have to click on the transfer option. So to demonstrate, I'm going to put a brim right here. Let's select mouse ear, and then let's edit out the width to the 10mm. And so if you selected the other printer, just click on the transfer button. This will only appear if you've made any changes onto your model. So click transfer, and then from here click slice plate, and then you won't be able to get that specific error message anymore. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.